Right here, you guys come around this way so you can see Adriana and Jennifer. Can you see okay, ma'am? And Ashton, let's get you around over to this corner, please. So right here, this nucleus plus all of this myelin sheath that this cell is secreting, this is the neurolemmacyte, all of it. It wraps around this axon. It's a separate cell. So here's one cell, one Schwann cell or neurolemmacyte. Here's a second Schwann cell or neurolemmacyte, and here's a third one over here. Okay, so they're separate cells. And then, does anybody have a double? All right. Then right here, starting from right here all the way, this gray structure all the way down is the axon, also called what?
The neuron fiber?
Nerve fiber.
Nerve fiber.
Nerve fiber. Okay. Then right here, can you see where it pinches in? Mm-hmm. What are those spots where it's pinching in? Those are the nodes of Ranvier, also called neurofibroma. Where's your tape on that one? Do you guys have that one? Oh, the nodes of Ranvier. Let's put that. There's not really one there. Let's put one right here, and let's put an arrow so that you, when you take your picture, we know exactly what spot you're talking about. This little spot right here where it's pinching in. Here's another spot right here. There'll be a third one, and so on down the line. You're right. This is the axon hillock here. This is our nucleus. This right here, we'll put a little arrow again to show that where this synaptic knob coming from another entire different neuron, and this dendrite where they're communicating, that's a synapsis right there. This right here is the synaptic knob. That's not it. This is a telodendria. This is the branch, this part right here. See? Can everybody look at this right here? See this right here?
So
that's the terminal branch. This is the terminal. The very end of it is the knob. Okay? So yeah, telodendria would be this little
right here.
This little branch right there. This little branch right there. Whereas the synaptic knob, again, don't be afraid to rewrite your label so that it's just nice when you, because are you going to remember? You remember it right now, right? Mm-hmm. What about Sunday after you've worked 3 shifts?
No.
And okay, all right. No. That's a little bit harder to remember. So this just that little bulging region. And what does that say there? I can't see
Dendrite.
that. Dendrites, correct. All of these on they're also showing here the dendrites in clear plastic here. What is this right here?
The
telodendria. And what is this right here? Synaptic knob. Good. And then yeah, you've got that. Your telodendria. And oh, what about this? What's this?
Abstract art.
Abstract art. Very good. What kind of abstract art?
Areola connective tissue.
Neuron. Do you guys remember what do we call this entire cell?
Muscle fiber.
Muscle fiber, muscle cell, right? And then it had its little sarcolemma, its little plasma membrane, and then going around the whole thing was the endomysium or endomysium. Here, going around this entire axon is the endoneurium. Endomysium, endoneurium. Nerve fiber, muscle fiber. Do they all have the same nucleus? Nucleus. Organelles, organelles, etc. Got it?
Is that around just the end? Or
it's actually around the whole thing. They're just like cutting off parts of it so that you can see, like the axon goes through the whole thing. The myelin sheath is, here they're just cutting it. Here they show it in 3D, etc. So good questions. Everybody's set on that. Okay, now take just 3 minutes and without looking at your notes, think where it's located and what it does. So quiz each other. Amelia, what's the job of the axon hillock and so on? Okay, 3 minutes. Listen to each other.